All right, we have breaking news coming in right now. West Bengal Legislative Assembly leader of opposition and BJP leader Shubhendu Adhikari is holding a protest rally over the Mednipur saline death case, demanding the arrest of Health Minister and the Health Secretary. Of course, the minister remains Mamata Banerjee, and also demanding the arrest of the Health Secretary of West Bengal. Remember, this is a very serious case. Expired saline was allegedly administered in fact to many people. That includes a pregnant woman who lost her life after she received that expired saline. And now we have BJP upping the ante over there. You see Shubhendu Adhikari now speaking. I think he's speaking something. We can take a listen in as to what Shubhendu Adhikari is saying.
कंपनी का खिलाफ एफआईआर नहीं हुआ, आरएल कंपनी का खिलाफ एफआईआर भी नहीं हुआ, एक भी अरेस्ट नहीं हुआ, और डॉक्टर का खिलाफ ये लोग है 12 डॉक्टर का खिलाफ एफआईआर कर दिया। हमारा डॉक्टर हमारा एसेट है, देश का एसेट है।
Case, the medical apathy case, and high drama unfolding on the streets of Kolkata. My colleague Samiksha joins us live on the broadcast from the newsroom. Samiksha, well, of course, the protests are now only intensifying, and Shubhendu Adhikari is raising questions that why has no doctor been arrested, and also demanding that the health minister, which of course is Mamata Banerjee, and the health secretary should also be sacked.
Well, absolutely, Rakshita, and we've seen how the High Court had even pulled up the West Bengal government in this whole case. Fact of the matter still remains that no substantial action or accountability has been taken by the West Bengal Chief Minister so far. In fact, she's only passed on this accountability to the 12 doctors who've been suspended. The High Court had even pulled up the West Bengal government for that fake saline that was administered to the patient at this government college. Also important to note here that the firm that had actually supplied the fake saline to the hospital is a blacklisted firm, something which was also reported by us earlier. But still no action. It's Shubhendu Adhikari who maintains that action must be initiated, and there should be accountability on part of Mamata Banerjee government as well. The latter having been pulled up by the High Court as well in handling of the entire case, in which one pregnant...
जो रवैया व्यवहार है वो कभी भी आपने देखा होगा, सोशल लाइफ में हो या पार्लियामेंट के अंदर जिस तरह से उन्होंने अपनी बात रखते हैं वो डेमोक्रेसी में नहीं चलता है। तो उनका व्यवहार ही ऐसा है जो किसी भी कमेटी का मीटिंग उसको भंग करने के लिए, उसको बंद करने के लिए वो कोशिश करता है, क्योंकि दे हैव टू गिव सम मैसेज टू द माइनॉरिटी कम्युनिटी। वही काम करने गए थे और उनका जो मिलना था वही मिला है, तो मैं इस सिद्धांत को भी स्वागत करता हूँ।
Those were reactions coming in from the BJP, and my colleague Samiksha continues to stay with us from the newsroom. Samiksha, of course, there are many questions that are being raised, but what has been the response of the West Bengal government so far on this?
Right, Rakshita, there was a briefing that was done by the West Bengal Chief Minister. She said that it is because of the negligence on part of the doctors that a pregnant woman and a newborn lost their life. In fact, the suspended doctors include the medical superintendent of the Mednapur Government Hospital, the vice principal of Mednapur Medical College and Hospital, and some postgraduate trainees as well. One woman and a newborn have died. Rakshita, fact of the matter still, as I mentioned earlier, still remains that no accountability has happened so far on part of the West Bengal government. And as we speak, there are other pregnant women,
right,
at least 3 of them, who are still getting treated.
In fact, there are multiple reactions coming in. I believe there is a live reaction.
प्रवेश को लेकर स्पीकर का मुंह में कागज फेंका था पार्लियामेंट में, अभी 180 डिग्रीज चेंज। तो ये हमारे मुख्यमंत्री और ये पार्टी का कोई स्टैंड फिक्स नहीं रहता है। जब विरोधी में तो एक स्टैंड, जब सरकार में तो 180 डिग्रीज चेंज।
On some other issue, we'll go back to Samisha. Samisha, please go ahead.
Yes, Rakshita, also to take you through the observations by the High Court last Thursday, in which the court had said, and I quote here what the court had said, it is rather disturbing to know that despite an order that was passed in December 2024 directing to stop manufacturing, the Health Department did not take proactive action to suspend the usage of drugs. That was not all. This was only done after 14th of January. This was Chief Justice Sigamvanam who said this while giving the order, that we failed to understand why it took more than 10 days to pass order for withdrawal of the existing stock. So clearly there was lack of action on part of the West Bengal Health Department as well. That was flagged earlier by the High Court. As we speak, Rakshita, it's travesty of justice to say that 3 pregnant women are still getting treated who were administered this fake saline at a government
Thank you so
hospital.
much, Samiksha, for joining us with those details coming in on that story. We'll keep a track of more developments from West Bengal. But right now, viewers, we are getting in